Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now we have to scroll down in order to find accounts and backup. As you can see right here we've got whole Google Backup section, so just tap on backup data and here let's tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the passwords and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. And here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with this option. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here we can check that we are able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account, and we can back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Of course you can tap on more details to learn more. And we've got also the info that your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easily. So if you want to, you can simply tap on turn on, but if for some reason you decide that you don't want to back up the data right now, just tap on not now. You will get back to the settings, and after a while, I don't know, 5 minutes or 5 days or 5 years, you will decide that you want to back up the data. Just go back to this step, and as you can see, you will be immediately transferred to this info, so you do not have to go through a whole operation of adding the account. So just tap on turn on, and you will be transferred to the backup storage, the backup section. So here you can check how much space you've got left, and here we've got some details about the backup. Here you can decide if you want to back up using the mobile data, and I highly recommend to keep it turned off. So in order to simply back up, just tap on backup now, and basically this is it. And as you can see, sometimes you will also have to confirm it with your pattern, PIN or password, so let's do it. And as you can see, we've got the info that your device is backing up the data, so basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.